Let's read now 2 for the grade 2. Chapter What a Fright Back Exercise. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Today is Tuesday 18th May 2021. It's a class assignment that you will do back exercise question number 2 part A B and question number 3 on book. I'm your English teacher from Umalkura Public School Junior Branch MTC. Okay students, first of all you have to understand the concept of the capital letters. When do we use capital letters? You can see on the screen months of the years and the holidays. When there are months, years and holidays, you will use the capital letter. Okay students, and the letter I when it stands alone. When you will use capital I when it stands alone. And names of the people and places where there come the name of the people and places, you will use capital letter with the name of the people or the places. T, title of books and movies. Where there come title of books and movies, you will also use a capital letter. And first and last and the most important thing, that you will use capital letter when the start of the sentence. When the sentence is start, you will use the capital letter. These are five main points that you have to use capital letters on that places. You can see these three sentences, and in the start of the sentences they used capital letters. Okay students, and also use days and months. You can see on the screen these are days and these are months, and you can see the all first sentence letter is capital. First word letter is capital, like Monday M capital, Tuesday T capital, Wednesday W capital. And you can see also in the months, like January J is capital, February F is capital, March M is capital, and all of the alphabets of the first letter is capital. And also you have to keep capital names like places, places that are very famous, like London, England, United Kingdom. You will always keep the first letter capital. And the people like Henry, the H is capital because it is a name of a person, and it's a pet, and pet first letter is capital. And you will also use first letter capital of the pets. And companies like Apple is a company, and you will also write capital A in the start of the company name. Okay students, now come to the exercise, like exercise number 2 part A, write correctly. Here are some sentences and you will correct and write them down. Like, the boy threw a stone in the water. Where is the mistake? Do you understand where is the mistake? How you will correct it? Yes, the capital T is not there, and we will put the capital D. The boy threw a stone in the water. Full stop. The boy threw a stone in the water. All the sentence is correct, but T was small. Okay students, done your work? Okay. Number 2. Once upon a time there lived a cruel king. What is the mistake in this sentence? Did you understand? Yes, once. This is the first letter of the sentence, and you will keep capital of that letter. Once will be O will be capital. Once upon a time there lived a cruel king. O will be capital. John and Molly are coming on Friday. Okay students, you can see there are two names, John and Molly. John, J will be capital, and Molly, M will be capital. And you can see there is a day. Before that I explain you that days and months first letter always will be capital, and you have to capital the Friday, F of the Friday. Okay, students, have you done? Like the now the four, both Harry and Nan became 7 years old in August. These are two names, Harry and Nan. Now you have to first capital the B because it is the first word of the sentence both. B capital. After that there is a name Harry. You will capital H. Okay, students. Harry and Nan. Nan is also a name. You will capital N and became 7 years old in August. August is a month and you will capital A. Done, students? Okay, students. Now I will give you the concept of A and N. You can see there are two columns. These are usage and these are examples. First of all, I will tell you that these are about the consonants that used before words beginning with the consonant sounds. What are the consonants? Consonants are those alphabets that are not vowel. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. After except these alphabets, all alphabets are consonants. Like you can see in the example, a man, a lamp, a cat. Man is a consonant and consonant sound. That's why we use a. And lamp, a lamp, a cat. We will use a before these three words. Now come to the next. Use before words and use before words that begin with vowel sound. Vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. Keep vowel sounds like an apple. What you will use? An. Before apple we will write an because apple start with a vowel letter. Eraser. It start with E. E is a vowel letter and we will write an. Umbrella. Umbrella is a vowel letter. Umbrella start with a vowel letter and we will write an before the word. Understand, students? Now come to the exercise. Exercise number 2, part B. Use a or an. Okay, students, look at the first sentence. She gave dash coin to dash old beggar. She gave. You have to use those two things, a or an. Okay, you can see coin. C is a consonant sound. C keep a consonant sound that you have to put a before the coin. And old beggar. O is a vowel letter and we will use and before the vowel letters. Understand, students? Now second sentence is on dash chair lay dash empty box. On dash chair. C is a consonant sounds. C keep a consonant sound that we will use before the chair and lay dash empty. Empty. E is a vowel letter and we will use and before the empty. And the sentence will be on a chair lay an empty box. Done, students? Now there was dash knife and dash fork on the table. There was dash knife. It is not a vowel sound. Knife is a consonant sound that we will use a, and the fork we will use a because these two are consonant sounds, knife and fork. Now come on the part 4. We saw dash eagle and dash ostrich at the animal park. Eagle is a vowel. Eagle starts a vowel letter and we will write an before the eagle. And ostrich is also starts with a vowel letter and we will write an before the ostrich. The sentence will be he saw an eagle and ostrich at the animal park. Done, students? Now exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with correct word. Number 1. He wore dash on his feet. but you have to feet on wear on the feet. What you wear? Yes, shoes. He wore shoes on his feet. Right, shoes over there. Number two, she wore dash round her neck. What she wore round her neck? Scarf. Right over there, scarf. Number three, he wore dash on his hands. What what he wore on the hands? Yes, gloves. Number four, she wore a dash on her head. What she wore on the head? Yes, hat. You will write over there, hat. Number five, she wore a dash on her finger. What she wear on the finger? Yes, ring. She wore a ring on her finger. Okay, students, it's your class assignment that you have to write day, date, and your topic dictation line number 6. And these are 5 dictation words. Number 1 is spread, number 2 foolish, number 3 chief, number 4 tails, number 5 escape. These are the dictation words and you have to write on your notebook. Learn and write. It's your home assignment that you will do back exercise on English grammar notebook. Sorry, it is mistake that you have to do back exercise on the English grammar book, not notebook. Okay, students, dictation line number 7, it's your home assignment. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, students.